Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up guys? I'm Andy from 1A Auto. I'm going to show you how to locate your fuse box under the hood in this 2007 Mini Cooper S. If you need any parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. Open the door. Over here, down near the footrest, there's a little lever. Pull that lever. So the hardest part about this is trying to find the hood safety. It's over in this vicinity over here. What you want to do is take a ruler or a tape measure, line it up with the eye, and go over 9 inches, and then grab underneath there, and then you're just going to feel a little lever. You're going to push up. That's the lever. The underhood fuse panel is located right here. To pull the cover off, we're going to push this little lock tab and lift up. And there's a little lock tab on the back. You can push that, and that'll release the cover. Pull it off. There's a key on the back of the cover. There is no special tool, so you're going to need to use some needle nose pliers. So you can pull the fuse out. You can look at it. If it's blown, you're going to replace it. So if this fuse was blown, this little horseshoe metal piece in the middle would be separated. As you can see, it's all together. So this fuse is still good. We'll reinstall, push it back down, reinstall the cover, just line it up and push it down.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.